I requeened this one this year, so she's been kind of rough on the way she runs her place. So I might requeen her again. I don't know. I'll have to get down into the brood. Oh, I found some brood. There we go. All right. So this is cat honey. Can get it close enough. This is cat. So like these, this would be something we would take here in another month and spin. Extract it. This one here has got brood on it, so we would not, even though it's got honey on it, the center of it, checking, get off, come on. Alright. Quick peek, gander. These are brood. Here, let me see if I can grab this. Hang on, dude. This here is your brood. These are babies, and this here on the edge would be is honey storage, which is capped. Let's see if